Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have realized that April Fool's Day was not very good as the whole market took a really swift turn back. Now at the same time, Doge has been holding on to its price very well while the whole market is trying to make a little bit of stability and go into a consolidation zone. If we talk about the trading volume, it has exceeded the $3 billion threshold, so Doge is actually in a really good position for the market to make a recovery and Doge to explode. The reason for the pullback, you can see some whales are selling some big chunks. On the other end, let's just say two features might be coming to X very soon, and at the same time Doge price is poised for a massive 600% rally in April. Now before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people see the positive side of Doge, to decide to buy into it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Now first of all, I just want to mention, do you guys prefer subtitles, just what you see in this video? Just want to know, let me know down in the comment section. Now talking about Dogecoin specifically, you can see that for the day it is down 0.1%. You'll be like, Sky, so there is no movement. Well, if you pay attention to the whole market other than Jupiter and Core, you can see everything is in red. So Doge just being able to sustain its price is actually a really good indicator that the market is in a really stable situation. When the whole market makes a recovery, including Bitcoin, Doge is going to go really explosive, because right now you can see that trading volume with 3.2 billion and it is up 50% today. It is the 8th most traded crypto in the world, and you can see that just about 6 hours ago we did see a really strong spike down, and then we are in a consolidation zone. And if you want to look at it properly, you can see this is a daily chart, but if I put it into an hourly chart, after the spike down, we are consolidating just above the 20-cent barrier. Now keep in mind, this support is still playing a really important barrier. If we do break below the 20-cent support, what's going to happen is the market is going to shift all the way down to 18 cents, and it will be really hard to control the emotion that everyone is going to have. Especially talking about the new traders that have just entered the market, they're going to be getting liquidated very quickly, and that's going to cause the price to fall down to 18 cents very quickly. But do I believe that we're going to be breaking the 20-cent support? And the answer is no. To break the 20-cent support, it will be extremely hard, as there are so many limit orders that have been placed in that zone. It would be extremely hard just to break below that zone. At the same time, talking about some whales, now this is the second largest wallet of Dogecoin, and you can see that just today morning they decided to sell close to $13 million worth of Dogecoin, now at the price of 21.6. After that, later in the day, when the price dropped about 1 cent, they purchased back $2 million worth of Doge. That should give you perspective. These people are trying to trade the market to be able to make a little bit of profit. Now this is not a little bit, I completely understand. 5% of 12 million comes to a significant amount, and that significant amount is $500,000. I completely understand that, but you do need to also pay attention to the way the whale activity is manipulating the market. Now what I always say is, if you stop panic selling, let's say, I know some of you guys might have purchased, you know, your Dogecoin at the price of 22 cents thinking it's just going to skyrocket now, and then now it has come down a little bit. You might be down about 5 to 10%, and you might be panicking. Well, keep in mind, the only time you take the loss is when you decide to sell. If you keep holding over time, you're still going to be breaking even and even going higher very quickly. Now talking about X payments will be coming with Dogecoin, but hey, this is just a meme that has been going around because 1st of April is around, but X dating might be coming soon. Now why is it poisoned for a really big recovery? Well, just pay attention to what happened in 2020. This was the momentum that Doge was on, and then when we got into the bull market, you can see it went explosive. And if you actually just compare the dates as well, that should also give you a little bit of perspective. I mean, last video I did decide to show you guys the dates as well. Now this is the zone that we are talking about. As you guys can see, in this zone the market was able to consolidate, maybe have a little bit of move forward, and then we got to the date of the 15th or 14th to 15th of April, and the market had a 600% run up in just 4 days. just to give you perspective. So 15th of April is not very far, and the market is showing very similar sentiments in terms of how well it is performing. If we just stay in a consolidation zone close to 15th of April, it will be going explosive because we will be closing in close to the 20th of April, which is considered a national Doge day, or you can just say it's a meme day, which is 420. Now you can also pay attention to the way everything is performing on the RSI line, and you can see it's clearly showing that we're moving a little bit towards the middle zone. So if we just consolidate, it will be much easier to be able to make a recovery. Now this is another whale which I want to show you guys. You can see that this whale just yesterday sold $21 million worth of Dogecoin. So that should give you perspective. They purchased around the 8-cent mark and then they just decided to hold, and yesterday they sold close to 22 million, taking some profit. So this is going to give you perspective. There is going to be a lot of people that will be selling in the back end, and that's one of the reasons why the market is moving so swiftly. On the other end, another reason for high ad revenue payout is that almost all advertisers are returning to X. Now this was posted by Doge designer, and Elon responded by saying, yeah. Why is that a big deal? Because you guys need to see, this was another time when, you know, Doge designer tweeted something about Grok is the AI, and talking about Dogecoin, will it be able to be sent? Then Elon responded, later this week Grok will be enable all the premium subscribers. Now X, the official Twitter account, decided to retweet that, just to give you perspective how much reach Doge designer is getting these days. The Dogecoin monthly RSI is at 69. Once we break the 70, it's not going back. We have so much upside yet to, you know, just look around. And don't forget, just about a month ago, or just about 2 to 3 weeks ago, Elon did decide that Tesla will be enabling Dogecoin payments very soon when he had the Giga Berlin event. Now, Dogecoin wallet also is playing a very crucial role in trying to pump up the price. I mean, today might be not the best time, but keep in mind those small businesses are gonna be accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment, and when that happens, Doge is gonna trigger a very mega parabolic bull run, which a lot of you guys are going to be very happy to see, and I know you guys are very eagerly waiting for. Key reason behind Doge's huge spike. I mean, keep in mind the other reason why the market is a little bit down today, because this could be a sell on news event as well, because today, 1st of April, you will be receiving pretty much, you know, you'll be able to trade Dogecoin futures on COINBASE. So if you just take that news, that could also be a news sell event, which is exactly what people like to do. So just keep buying on rumors, and when the news actually drops, simply sell, and that's exactly what could have happened. So personally, right now it's just a little bit of patience game. Whoever is going to be patient is going to be making the most money. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.